Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coming to you guys live now from Shizuoka. Just completed another 5 kilometers run. Back on that daily run grind. So we're starting day number 6 in Shizuoka. We're going to, I believe it's a castle, a ruined castle today. My wife discovered that yesterday. I was quite busy, so I'm gonna go there today. So we're calling this series Rolling with Ranzo. So that's what we're gonna call this. I'm gonna have some food. We are at Coco Curry. Okay, cocoa curry. It looks messy, but it tastes really good actually. So if you get a chance for in Japan, try it. So the castle is like 10 minutes back that way. Is it this way?
Yeah, this general direction.
Are you sure?
Yes.
She went to this place yesterday while I was doing something, so I don't know the way. I thought it was a building where you could actually enter the castle, but it's not. It just looks like it.
It's a park. It's a ruins. It's just pieces of the walls that are left.
There's one thing about Japan, man. Look, parking is
It's a pain.
it's a pain. It's a pain. It's a shame. Okay. We just booked your hotel. Why should we pay to park at your hotel? Check out this building with the solar panels.
So in the spring, these are sakura. So
Oh,
they would,
wow.
it would be really pretty in the spring.
I see. Almost like in Meguro.
Yeah. They put masks on.
This is funny, yeah?
It's funny. It's funny.
Okay.
You can take a picture here. Like you can see that this is a picture spot. Take a
Oh, snap.
They look like monsters. They're so big.
Be careful, Daddy! Spiders!
Where?
And bird doodle. Lots of bird doodle.
Look, if I fall into this thing, I don't think I'm coming back out alive because these fishes are gonna eat me alive. Look at the size.
They must have been here from the time that the castle was open. Because these are huge. Look, it's gonna jump in the water. Tiffany, look, it's gonna jump in.
Oh, snap, it left.
Jumped in. I told you could see turtles.
Gotta turn. One of the door.
I want to show Daddy!
Okay, I'm coming.
So this is the east gate. But you have green tea, babe.
You bought it? You bought it? Oh.
Yeah, you can drink the green tea.
Thanks.
Daddy!
Well, I think we're going inside the castle first, Tiffy.
No, look at this weird insect!
What's it called? Let me see it.
Weird insect.
Is it a semi? Yeah, it's a semi actually. It's a dead one.
It's a semi! I see weird insects all over the place right now.
So this is what a semi looks like. Oh wait, I can't even.
Remember, in English,
Cicada. I was saying, what's the difference? English, Japanese, Spanish, whatever, same thing. So when you guys see a video or you're on a live stream and you hear these loud bugs in the background, annoying as heck, those are the things that are making the sound. That one is dead. This is a castle. I feel like I must have like a heat-induced stroke. The sun is melting me, Jay. I can't. This mask thing, I'm sorry.
No, keep yourself safe.
I can't survive wearing this mask in the sun. Oh, let me show you guys my shoes. So this is what I'm wearing. Y'all like it? Someone I interviewed actually told me about them. So shout out to Dustin. It's steel toe, right? So it's not like a normal like shoe. So it's steel toe, like construction workers wear it, which means it's generating heat as well, but it's not that bad. Look at my tabby socks. I got my tabby socks on. Look at that. Black Ninja in the house. Okay, so when you come to places like this, they have these Japanese shoes, slippers, but they're too small for my feet.
So if you feel for a little history, you can head into this small museum that's on the compound. Right now we're looking at Tokugawa Ieyasu, right? He was a founder and first shogun of the Tokugawa shogunate, right, of Japan, which ruled Japan from 1603 until the Meiji Restoration in 1868. He was one of the 3 great unifiers of Japan, along with its former lord, Oda Nobunaga. You guys have heard of Nobunaga, of course, and Toyotomi Hideyoshi. Right, so he pretty much ruled this place back in the day. Sumpu Castle or Sumpujo was a Japanese castle in Shizuoka city, right? So of course you guys know we're in Shizuoka, and the sobriquet of this feudal fortress was the Castle of the Floating Isle. So that was a nickname for it, and it was also referred to as Fuchu Castle or Shizuoka Castle. It was built in 1589, rebuilt in 1607, 1610, 1635, and demolished in 1896.
I guess how it should. So this is where we entered from, right? The Higashigoma gate. And see, we went through that part, that middle court. So this is how it would have looked back then. So this is what we're in, yeah. More buttons, more buttons. Touch, 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 and it'll highlight a spot. See that? Where's your water bottle?
Tiffany come because if you break something,
Where's
you're
your water
gonna
bottle?
have to work to pay for it. I'm
Walk.
like she'll work, she'll cover the cost.
Tiffany, it's right here.
She'll rebuild the castle.
So this is my favorite part. Well, this was my favorite part of the castle ruins, Sumpu Castle Park. This is a Japanese garden. One of my favorite places, Japanese gardens overall. What did you think about the park, Jay?
I really liked it. I thought it was cool that they had, I guess, different representations throughout the park. I think there was like a mountain area and yeah, like the water theme. There was like a jungle theme. There were like different themes within the garden, and it was designed really cool. Like, yeah, so like you'd see the waterfall area. It was really nice. It was super hot that day though.
So this is the Momijiyama Japanese garden at the Sumpu. Hi! At the Sumpu Castle Park. And okay, so the garden has all these different elements, okay? So garden of the village, garden of the sea, garden of the mountain village, garden of the mountains. So actually, yeah, so I guess they give you a different experience, different parts of the garden give you a different experience. So currently, I don't know what part this is with the waterfall. Can you guys see the waterfall? Oh my God, look at that butterfly.
I taught her everything she knows. Okay?
Look at that butterfly.
Everything she knows.
Mom is forcing me out of the
It's funny, Tiffany's trying to do her own little live stream. Can you see the little stream? It is very peaceful. That's one thing I really like about Japanese gardens is that like, and Tiffany's just here to disrupt the peace, is that they're really, really calming. Just the layout of everything.
The king of the bush.
The king of the bush, where?
Here.
This is the king of the bush? Sure.
Right.
Like it's planned out so well, the shapes of the path, the shapes of the trees.
So we're in Shizuoka right now, right by the beach, right? It's not one of the most beautiful ones. It's more like a like the sea. We're in southern Japan. Right over this barrier is the sea, as you guys can see, right? I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching, tuning into the series. We're journeying through Japan. It's the Rolling With Ranzo series, going to different places, experiencing it, and taking you guys along with me. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Tomorrow we're heading to Nagano. Until next time, friends. Bye for now.